In the M340i. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And I appreciate you guys for tuning in to another video. Let me get out the garage real quick. Hold up. We is back with another video. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, honestly, and I don't know how long I'm gonna make the videos or anything like that. I'm not sure. Before we start, I want to say I appreciate you guys for showing love on the last video. For real, like y'all absolutely killed it. And I read all your comments and everything, and people are saying like did you have insurance, or is insurance gonna cover it, or anything like that. I'm gonna get to that a little later. I am on my way to actually go pick up something. I don't want to say what it is just yet until I go pick it up, and then I'll show you guys, and then I'll explain everything to you guys when I pick up that item. That's what we're gonna go do right now. Damn, man, this past week I haven't really had anything to film, so that's why I'm picking up the camera today and taking you guys along to go pick this item up, because why not? I mean, you guys already in deep with me, so might as well tag you guys along. This might possibly be a build series, because I don't know how long this is gonna take. Obviously there's not gonna be a lot of videos on the Supra other than the build series going on, you know. Nothing really has gone on with the Supra. It's still at the shop just sitting, so nothing yet, but hopefully soon we get some more news and see what happens. Hopefully they remove the body panels and all that, so I can see more of the damage, or if there's any more damage, you know. But yeah, ooh, that's a nice Tesla. That was a nice Tesla. It was bagged and everything. If you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and be part of the family. Yeah, you guys might want to stay up to date with the Supra too, and stay up with the build series that we might potentially do. I might do it. I think I am, because I think it'd be dope just to take you guys along the whole build and see what happens step by step, and all the little bumps on the road as well that might happen. Who knows, you know? But I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We have a fellow M340i owner following us. Oh wow, look at this guy. Wow. Dude, look how like many inches it's away from the ceiling, bro. That's so crazy. Oh my god, I thought you were gonna hit for a second, bro. That's crazy. Damn, bro, traffic ain't no joke today. Oh my god, bro. We got an M240i up here. These are nice, bro. I actually like them. You know, B58 engines inside too. They're nice. I actually like them. They're all souped up and fixed. They look nice. You want to try to do it upside down? Like. Go for it. We got the boy Melton Supra. Shout out to Melton, bro. He came through with the bumper, bro. Shout out to Melton, for real. Clean that. Seeing a Supra makes me miss mine so much, bro. I hate it. I'm gonna cry. But we got the bumper secured. Shout out to Milton, bro. Damn, dude. I'm filming in the G7X. Bro, I don't know if the filter's on or some shit. I don't know what's going on, or if it's just me. But as you guys can see, we have a front bumper. And shout out to Milton once again, bro. Hooking it up with a front bumper for a steal. Like, huge shout out to him. Like, I'm trying to buy all the big parts that I can find for the Lolo, and so far lately it's been going pretty smooth. I just need to find the rear bumper with the rear diffuser, and need to find the headlight, tail light, and then the other, like the body panel and all that. The body shop that my car's at is taking care of all that. So I'm just trying to find like the things that I can get, you know, like the bumper, headlights, things like that. Yeah, so you guys are probably wondering, why are you looking for pieces? Why are you looking for parts? Why are you buying them? And that's because I have to pay out of pocket. Insurance ain't covering this. Unfortunately, I didn't know, but I was excluded from my dad's insurance policy. I thought I wasn't. I thought I was good. I thought everything was fine, but I didn't know that, and my dad had told me I was excluded from. When I had the Camry, I had, I guess, 4 points, but now I only have 2 points and whatever. But yeah, got excluded, and that goes, and therefore they're not covering it. They basically told you, hey, sorry, your son was excluded, and we can't do nothing about it. Like, you're gonna have to do it. Like, you're gonna have to pay for that car. So yeah, that's why I'm looking for pieces, because I have to pay out of pocket for the rebuild. So that's why, hence, I'm saying like I should probably just do a build series, because I'm basically rebuilding the Supra. And yeah, I don't know, I do want to do some merch or something, or like host a car wash. I don't know, man, just to help like with the build or something. I don't know. I really gotta figure something out. Obviously do have a job and all that, but you know, I got bills too and all that, so it's gonna be grinding season, saving season, trying to come up with more things for more income. I don't know, maybe some merch will be on the way. Who knows, maybe we'll do some merch. I don't know. Shout out to Milton once again for the bumper. I think I'm gonna go check the Supra in a little bit, see if there's any progress, as in if they removed any parts or components off the car, so I can see more of the damage and see what else is going on, you know, things like that. I did buy the reinforcement rear bar already that goes behind the rear bumper. That's what got dented in, so bought that. Yeah, man, little by little, slowly but surely, we'll get the Supra back up. Like I said, any sponsors want to help with the build, please help. I guess this is version 2 of the Supra. Version 1 was a stock with a Supra with the Street Hunter wing, and it was number 3 and it's gone. So now we gotta do version 2 of the Supra, of the rebuild. So I do have something in mind that I do want to do, but first I gotta get all this fixed first, and then pay off all the things that I got coming to me. We gotta stay positive, baby. Stay positive. We gotta stay positive. It's so weird vlogging in the G7X, bro. But throwback, man. Throwback to the G7Xs, man. You see that? So throwback. Had to come look at the Supra again, bro. Oh, still wasn't doing nothing to it. But they said Monday they're gonna take off a couple of pieces out of it. But yeah. Damn, bro. We already ordered this. I already got this piece at the house, so we got that piece. Front bumper we already got, so that's good. I gotta get the rear trunk. Gotta get the trunk and the rear tail light. We're just looking for little pieces to find right now, but so far that's kind of much it. Nothing too crazy. Everything else he's gonna find. But I gotta drop off the front bumper. I'm gonna drop it off in the front gate over there. Just leave it there, he said. Hopefully nobody steal it, bro. He just said leave it there, so I'm gonna just pull it out the car and drop it off over there. And here's the bumper. Everything's still attached to the rivets and all that, so everything's still fine. The clips are fine. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Motherfucking them. If y'all ever wanted to know if the seats fold forward on your M340i, they do. I didn't know if they did or not, but I found out they do, which is cool. That's dope. I flashed it back to E50. Let's hear the warm start, how it starts. Wow, sounds very nice, very nice. What's good, y'all? We picked up the camera. This is like the second day, I believe. Yeah, this is the second day. No, 2 days after from when I filmed. I'm gonna do something that I haven't done in a minute on the vlog, and that's gonna be a car wash vid. We're gonna go wash the M340i, because the M340i needs one. My car wash guy didn't wash it yesterday, so it's all good. I get to wash it now, so I was like, you know what, I haven't you know, recorded a little car wash in a little minute, so I was like, you know, why not take y'all along with it. This is the only car we got right now at the moment, the M340i, you know, so let's enjoy it while, you know, we have it. Sounds good. Damn, bro, I'm so scared to even full throttle this because I got no tires. Yes, bro, that's always gonna be my excuse. I just don't have tires, bro. I just really don't. Sheesh, bro. I'm telling you, I just spin, bro. That's all I do. I'm just spinning. Damn, I came on a really busy time. Holy shit, it's packed as hell. Alright, finally got in. Time to wash the car. Let's do this. Alright, and shout out to Dustin Williams and them, bro. When I won that raffle, got all the McGuire stuff to clean the car. So that's what we're about to use right now. Look at who pulled up the M4 CS. Hey. So the boy George over there. Who didn't want to pick up my calls because I didn't have an M4 CS. Who didn't want to pick up my calls because I don't have an M4 CS. Which ass food.
This shit's fake, bro. It's an M440, bro. Wrapped, bro.
M440 fake badges.
Wrapped,
fake badges.
Kit, you know, CS badge. 2023, baby.
2023 M4 CS. Neighbor. Bitch ass conca.
Fuck you, bitch. Where's your car, man?
Hey yo, chill, bitch.
No, I'm kidding.
At George's M340i. He wants to sell if you want to buy.
Who wants to buy?
He wants to buy.
65K with the mods.
65K with the mods. What mods you want? None.
You got lights inside.
Ambient lighting. But yeah, if you guys recognize this M4 CS, we did a video last time. This thing is loud. Yeah. But yeah, you guys can tell George is making fun of me because my car is gone. But I got an M340 out here too if you need to chill. The M340i is all washed up and cleaned up, and damn, she's looking good, bro. Shout out to that quick wax from McGuire's, bro. It really comes through. It makes the car like shine and pop. Yeah, so if I never won that raffle, I would have never got that, bro. So hell yeah. What are the odds? This shit was so funny because I was like last minute taking in my things. They called the first number and I was just like, that is crazy, bro. My ticket must have been like right on the top or some shit. Who knows? Got the M4 CS right here looking spiffy as well. Bro, I love the carbon roof. Oh, it's so beautiful. I think Brody just turned 21 too. Brody just turned 21 and he has an M4 CS. Yep. You just turned 21, huh?
1 month ago.
Shit.
I'm finally legal.
Oh god.
Never drank in my life.
21 and he owns an M4 CS, bro.
I was 19,
18 when you got it? 18 when he got it, bro. And now he's 21. So he's had it for like 3 years now. Man, what a guy. Carbon titanium tips with the carbon diffuser. That's so sick, bro.
I got this when I was 5.
Got the M4 on. Is she purring? So we are headed to Starbucks, but damn, bro, this car was in the way, so I couldn't make a left. That's to make like a whole U-turn. So they're already up ahead. I'm probably gonna catch them there. But yeah, we're getting some Starbucks. Ooh, you're lucky this light's red, or I would have taken down some Fast and Furious stuff. Nah, I'm just kidding. It is the next day, y'all, and we here have the reinforcement bar, the rear reinforcement bar for the Supra, as you guys saw in the video, where mine is all banged up from this side. So had to get this one replaced, and I got it for a steal price. So about to go take this to the body shop and hopefully see if there's any progress with the Supra, as in like them taking off all the body panels and everything, and see if there's any hidden damage. So we're about to go find out right now. So I just dropped off the piece at ABC Auto Collision, and Luis ain't here. That's the guy who's like taking care of my car. He ain't here, but his co-workers took the reinforcement bar and he'll let them know. Yeah, they still really haven't touched the car, which is a little unfortunate because I really want to see if there's any hidden damage underneath everything. Sucks that it hasn't been touched yet, but I understand, you know, there's probably like a lot of other cars they're probably doing. Until I get further information and they tell me they've removed all the pieces and I can go see it, then I will update you guys, and I'll obviously take you guys along to see what happens and show you guys everything. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it right now. I'm like, you know, we're both left at this same spot. That's pretty much it for this video. I mean, there's really nothing else, you know. I do have to buy that trunk, the trunk hatch. I do have someone who's willing to sell me one. Gotta find the rear tail light and the headlight, front left one. I'm on a little scavenger hunt right now, so if you guys know anybody, you know, selling those pieces, hit me up, let me know. Possibly a rear diffuser as well and a rear bumper. Let me know. This might end up, you know, being a series. If y'all want it to be a series, let me know in the comments. It could be dope to just, you know, take you guys along the whole journey of me rebuilding the Supra and seeing how version 2 comes out. Y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all hit the like button for your boy, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and be part of the family, be part of the journey with the Supra and see the 2.0 version of it. But yeah, man, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.